Real estate licensure represents the official process through which individuals obtain the legal authority to practice as real estate agents or brokers. This involves completing prescribed educational courses, passing examinations, and fulfilling any other conditional requirements set by state licensing boards. The importance of gaining a real estate license lies in its function as a regulatory mechanism to ensure those in the real estate profession possess the necessary knowledge and ethical standards to guide clients through transactions involving property purchase, sale, or lease. A license not only legitimizes a career in real estate, but also provides a framework for ongoing education and compliance, fostering trust between agents and consumers. To illustrate, consider a prospective real estate agent in California who must complete 135 hours of pre-licensing education, covering topics like property management, ethics, and real estate law, followed by the successful completion of a state exam. Upon achieving licensure, this individual gains access to a network of potential clients and the opportunity to engage in property sales and listings. Another example is in Florida, where the necessity of passing a 63-hour course and a state exam ensures that agents are well-versed in both state-specific real estate laws and general business practices. Opinions supporting the necessity of real estate licensure often emphasize consumer protection and the professional development it fosters. Licensing ensures that agents handle transactions competently, upholding public confidence in the real estate sector. However, challenges in the licensure process can arise from differing state requirements, which might lead to inconsistencies in standards and educational accessibility. Critics argue that the process can be daunting and expensive, potentially discouraging prospective agents. Moreover, some suggest that the intensification of online real estate platforms alters traditional roles and questions the sufficiency of standardized exams in preparing agents for modern market challenges. The concept of real estate licensure interconnects with other aspects of obtaining a real estate license, such as ongoing professional development and the role of ethical practice. A licensed agent is not only qualified to perform real estate duties, but is also committed to adhering to industry regulations and engaging in continuous education. This foundational point influences broader discussions about career longevity in real estate, emerging market trends, and the dynamic nature of property law. By understanding the role and significance of licensure, individuals are better equipped to navigate the path toward becoming successful real estate professionals. Understanding real estate licensing requirements is a crucial aspect of obtaining a real estate license. This concept refers to the set of rules and preconditions established by state real estate commissions that aspiring real estate agents must meet to practice legally. These requirements typically include completing a prescribed number of education hours from an accredited institution, passing a state-administered exam, and submitting an application along with a background check. Understanding these requirements serves as the groundwork for anyone entering the real estate profession, as it ensures agents are adequately prepared to handle real estate transactions ethically and in compliance with state laws. The significance of understanding these requirements cannot be overstated. First, it ensures that all agents entering the field possess a minimum level of knowledge and competence, which helps maintain public trust in real estate professionals. Second, by meeting these requirements, individuals protect themselves legally and professionally. For example, one real-world application of understanding licensing requirements is knowing the exact educational prerequisites necessary in a specific state. In California, for instance, candidates must complete 3 college-level courses, whereas in Texas, the requirement is 180 classroom hours of qualifying real estate education. Another application is during license renewal, which often requires continuing education. Staying updated on these requirements ensures that agents remain in good standing with their state commission. Several opinions underscore this point, particularly those emphasizing the importance of standardized qualifications in maintaining industry standards. Proponents argue that these requirements help weed out unqualified individuals, thus enhancing the overall reputation and reliability of real estate professionals. However, there are challenges and alternative viewpoints associated with these licensing requirements. Some argue that the costs and time involved in meeting these prerequisites can be prohibitive, particularly for low-income individuals or those changing careers. Additionally, there is debate over whether the current educational and testing standards genuinely reflect the skills needed in the dynamic real estate market. Understanding real estate licensing requirements connects to other aspects of obtaining a license, such as the decision to pursue additional certifications or specialties that can differentiate an agent in the market. It also influences the preparation strategies for the licensing exam and shapes an agent's career trajectory. Ultimately, by fully grasping these requirements, aspiring real estate professionals can set a strong foundation for a successful career, navigating the complexities of the real estate market with greater ease and confidence. Educational and pre-licensing courses are essential steps for anyone aspiring to become a licensed real estate agent. These courses provide foundational knowledge and skills needed to navigate the real estate industry effectively. They cover a range of topics, including real estate principles, property law, ethics, finance, and state-specific regulations, equipping future agents with the necessary expertise to handle property transactions. The significance of educational and pre-licensing courses cannot be overstated. They ensure that all real estate professionals meet a standardized level of competence and understanding, which is crucial for maintaining professionalism and protecting consumers in the real estate market. Without such courses, aspiring agents might lack critical knowledge, leading to ineffective service or legal complications. In practice, these courses can vary widely by state, but generally consist of a specified number of hours of classroom or online instruction. For instance, in California, aspiring agents must complete 135 hours of pre-license education from a certified provider, covering real estate principles, practice, and an elective course. Meanwhile, in Texas, candidates are required to complete 180 hours of education before they can sit for the licensing exam. These courses blend theoretical concepts with practical applications, such as case studies or role-playing exercises, to prepare students for real-world scenarios. Supporters of this educational requirement argue that it elevates the profession, ensuring that only those with adequate preparation and understanding enter the field. This fosters trust and reliability in real estate transactions, which are often among the most significant financial decisions people make. However, there are challenges and debates associated with educational and pre-licensing courses. Some critics argue that the cost and time commitment create barriers to entry, particularly for those with limited financial resources. Additionally, the effectiveness of these courses can vary, with some questioning whether they adequately prepare agents for the complexities of the job beyond passing an exam. These courses are closely linked to other aspects of obtaining a real estate license, such as passing the licensing exam, gaining practical experience, and fulfilling continuing education requirements. They lay the groundwork for all future professional development and ensure that new agents are properly equipped to pursue careers in real estate. By setting a standard for entry, these courses influence the quality and integrity of the profession, ultimately protecting consumers and enhancing the industry's reputation. The licensing examination process is a crucial step in the journey to becoming a licensed real estate agent. This process involves taking and passing a standardized test that assesses a candidate's knowledge of real estate principles, laws, and practices. The exam ensures that individuals entering the profession have a solid understanding of the industry, which is vital for maintaining professional standards and protecting consumers. The significance of the licensing examination process lies in its role as a gatekeeper for the real estate profession. By requiring candidates to demonstrate their knowledge and competence, the examination helps maintain the integrity and reliability of the industry. This process not only safeguards the interests of buyers and sellers, but also helps to elevate the profession by ensuring that only qualified individuals are able to represent clients in real estate transactions. For instance, in states like California, the licensing exam includes national and state-specific questions, covering topics such as property ownership, land use controls, and financing. Similarly, New York requires prospective agents to pass an exam that tests knowledge on real estate math, contract law, and agency relationships. These exams are designed to reflect the unique legal and market realities of each state, ensuring that agents are well prepared to operate within their specific region. Real-world applications of the licensing examination process are evident in the way it standardizes the entry into the profession. For example, a well-prepared candidate who successfully passes the exam is typically more equipped to navigate complex transactions, understand regulatory requirements, and provide valuable insights to their clients, thereby enhancing client trust and satisfaction. Furthermore, the exam can also serve as a benchmark for continuous professional development, motivating existing agents to stay updated with evolving laws and market trends. While the licensing examination process is widely supported as essential for upholding industry standards, there are alternative viewpoints and challenges. Critics argue that the exam may not accurately capture an individual's potential to succeed as a real estate agent, as it focuses heavily on theoretical knowledge rather than practical skills. Additionally, the costs associated with exam preparation and retaking failed exams can pose a barrier to entry for some aspiring agents. This examination process inherently connects to other aspects of obtaining a real estate license, such as pre-licensing education and ongoing professional development. It encourages aspiring agents to thoroughly understand foundational real estate concepts, while also setting the stage for lifelong learning in the field. Overall, the licensing examination process is a pivotal element that influences both the initial and ongoing competence of real estate professionals.